Welcome to this 1 minute evening yoga practice designed to help you relax and prepare for a restful night's sleep. Let's begin. Pose 1, deep breathing. Sit comfortably, eyes closed, focus on your breath, inhaling deeply through your nose and exhaling slowly through your mouth. Repeat for 5 breaths. Pose 2, neck stretch. Slowly tilt your head to the right, bringing your air towards your shoulder. Hold for 5 breaths, switch sides. Pose 3, shoulder rolls. Roll your shoulders forward, up and back. Release tension, relax shoulders down. Repeat for 5 rounds. Pose 4, seated forward fold. Sit with your legs extended. Inhale, lengthen your spine. Exhale, fold forward, reaching for your toes. Hold for 5 breaths. Pose 5, legs up the wall pose. Lie on your back with your legs up against a wall. Relax your body, feeling calm and serene. Hold for 5 breaths. Final relaxation, close your eyes, breathe deeply and let go of the day's stress. Prepare your body and mindful, peaceful night's sleep. Thanks for practicing with me. Subscribe for more evening yoga routines and relaxation techniques.